Want the best visuals and smooth gameplay in LDPlayer? Yeah. Setting the right resolution and DPI is key. In this guide, I'll show you how to optimize LDPlayer's resolution and DPI settings for the best performance in 2026. Step 1. Open LDPlayer and click on the settings icon. This is where all display and performance options are located. Step 2. Go to Advanced or Performance Settings. Here you'll find Resolution, DPI, and Graphics options. Step 3. Set your resolution. For most PCs, a resolution of 1920 by 1080 gives clear visuals without slowing performance. You can also try 1280 by 720 if you want smoother gameplay on lower-end PCs. Step 4. Adjust the DPI. Higher DPI makes text and UI elements sharper, but too high can slow down your PC. A DPI of 160 to 240 works well for most users, but you can experiment for the best balance. Step 5. Choose your graphics rendering mode. OpenGL or DirectX can affect performance. If you notice lag, switch modes and test which one works smoother for your system.